All right. Shout out to Bread and Butter for sending us the Invader. All right. First of all, let's check this box out. Take me to your tennis courts. A lot of the joke with this paddle is that they're invading the tennis courts. Designed in outer space. Bread and butter. All right, unboxing time. There really is no experience like the bread and butter box opening this up. It's pretty cool. Let's see it. All right. Thank you. We hope you love your new paddle. All right, it's pretty cool. Got some stickers. All right. Just make sure I'm showing the cameras these. Yup. All right. Move those over there. We've got what looks to be, if you know the prior Bread and Butter paddles, they usually have done some like hot sauce and stuff. They got their flamin' sauce, the jalapeno hot sauce, Bread and Butter. All right. We've got a little drink koozie, Bread and Butter. All right, now let's see what we got in here. The Invader. It's coming to invade us. All right, let's pop this puppy open. What a pretty paddle, guys. Just take a look at that, huh? What a pretty paddle. There we go. Bread and Butter unboxing of the Invader. See if that'll focus on that. There we go. Apologies for the glare. There we go. Bread and Butter. Check them out. The Invader. Coming from outer space.